Hey everybody, I am Jerry86 here with the 2001 Lexus GS430 air filter replacement, part number 1433004. Now before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this, please leave a comment and a like below. Would really help me out to help build the channel. So yeah, let's get into it. This one's very easy. Once you pop open the hood, locate the airbox, lower left hand side, and first thing you should do is confirm that you have the correct part number. Double check the size and the shape, and just make sure that the new one that you just bought looks like the old one that you're pulling out. I knew I had to do this job previously because I pulled it out, did an air filter check, and found a lot of bugs, dirt, leaves, and so on and so forth on the inside of the air filter. Yeah, as you can see, it's the same shape. Basically, you undo the 4 clips that are holding it in while holding the lid on, and then you gently pry it up, remove the old one, and then put the new one back in. If you feel so inclined, you can blow out the airbox. Just make sure that none of it gets into the intake tube while you're doing it, and then put the new one in, and then redo the clips, and then make sure that you dispose of the old one properly. And away you go. There you go. You did it. You saved yourself a bunch of money. Hey everybody, if you like what you saw, please leave me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I am working on a video series called Jerry Fixes the GS, where I fix up my 2001 Lexus GS430 that has 313,000 kilometers on it. Yeah, you guessed it, I'm in Canada, baby. Stay tuned for that, and also check out all the other videos that I posted previously. I have an 85 Toyota Corolla GTS, aka the AE86. It's carbureted, it makes a lot of noise, it is super fun to drive. Party car, go check it out. Thanks guys.